From Madhya Pradesh, let's get you back to Delhi, where the Aam Aadmi Party government versus Delhi police. Once again, battles on the streets of Delhi. Protests erupted in Delhi's Anand Parbat area. This time, once again over the stabbing of a 19-year-old girl. Aam Aadmi Party activists were using this stabbing to take on the centre via Delhi police. They are asking for the control of Delhi police. India Today's Ankit Tyagi now joins me with the latest. Ankit, using this girl's stabbing incident, Arvind Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, has made it very clear that the central government has no time to concentrate on Delhi's security. Arvind Kejriwal has also come out with a new radio advertisement on these lines. Take us through the Aam Aadmi Party game plan.
Well, Gaurav, after this incident, of course, Arvind Kejriwal has and the government of Delhi has used it to hit out at Narendra Modi government in the centre. And yesterday, after the complete breakdown in the talks between the police commissioner and the Delhi government, after which the Home Minister came out and said the police commissioner refused to give any details. The police commissioner, on the other hand, said that those were not under the jurisdiction of the Delhi government. As of now, it seems that once again the government and the Ministry of Home Affairs, under which the Delhi police are on a collision path. The Aam Aadmi Party has now decided that they are going to intensify protest all across Delhi. So yesterday, in fact, newspaper, television and radio ads were released by the Delhi government, in which Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has asked the Prime Minister to give at least 1 hour to the policing in Delhi, or else relinquish the control of that and give it to the state government. As of now, the protest is going on in Anand Parbat area, where this girl was killed, and the protesters are demanding resignation of the area ACP, the SHO of the police station, and also the investigating officer.
In this case, these protests will not be restricted to the Anand Parbat area. The Aam Aadmi Party, Ankit, does it intend to take it across the length and breadth of Delhi?
See, Gaurav, these protests are going to increase. We are going to see a lot more protests, and also, in days to come, you will see more confrontation, more letters being written, and between Delhi police and the Delhi government. See, the Delhi government, right from the word go, has made it a point that they want full statehood of Delhi, including the control of the Delhi police. And every incident that will take place, they are going to create pressure. They are going to increase pressure as far as the centre is concerned. Whether the centre gives any concessions to the Delhi police or not, that has yet to be seen. But the police commissioner was yesterday very firm, clear that he does not owe any answers to the Delhi government, and that is why the talks completely failed. Okay. On the other hand, the Delhi government and the Aam Aadmi Party utilizing it politically, trying to make a big scene out of it so that they can send across the message that the security situation in the city does not come under them, and the people should not hold them accountable.
Stay with me, Ankit. I also want to bring in India Today's Rohit Mishra for more on this. Rohit, दिल्ली की सड़कों पर आम आदमी पार्टी उतर आई है. जो पूरी रणनीति है आम आदमी पार्टी की आनंद पर्वत के में भी और आनंद पर्वत के अलावा, उस पूरी रणनीति के बारे में बताइए.
लेकिन क्योंकि पुलिस जो है वो लगातार जो है वो कोशिश तो कर रही है उनको रोकने के लिए, लेकिन आम आदमी पार्टी को एक बड़ा मुद्दा मिला है. जिस तरह से जो मीनाक्षी मर्डर केस के बाद जो दिल्ली पुलिस पे आरोप लगे, उसको भुनाने की कोशिश है. और जिस तरह से कल जो मीटिंग भी हुई थी दिल्ली पुलिस कमिश्नर और आम आदमी पार्टी जो दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री हैं अरविंद केजरीवाल के बीच, उसमें भी ये जो साफ तौर पर देखा जा सका कि किस तरह से पुलिस और सरकार के बीच में टकराव की स्थिति है. और लगातार दोनों ही तरफ से जो है ये एक कोशिश है आम आदमी पार्टी की तरफ से कि लगातार जो पुलिस जो इश्यू है उसको गरमाए रखा जाए. और यही रीजन है कि बार बार जो पुलिस के साथ ये कहा जा रहा है कि हमने जो एक्यूज है उनको गिरफ्तार कर लिया, हमने जो कमिश्नर जो मुख्यमंत्री हैं उनकी तरफ से कंपनसेशन भी दे दिए गए, तो फिर ये विरोध प्रदर्शन क्यों? लेकिन लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी जो है लगातार इस इश्यू को गरमाए हुए है, ताकि जो उनके पूर्ण राज्य का जो वादा है उसको किसी भी तरह से भी सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से लगातार दबाव बनाया जा सके. जी
रोहित और अंकित, फिलहाल इस जानकारी के लिए धन्यवाद. वी विल कंटिन्यू टू ट्रैक डेवलपमेंट्स ऑन द स्टोरी very closely. The Delhi police making it very clear, since the accused have been arrested, why is it that the Aam Aadmi is still protesting? Are these protests not simply politics over security in Delhi? A quick break, back with much more. Keep watching India Today.